Okay, so it looks like only about 40% of people actually got number 10 correct. So this was definitely tough for a lot of people, which it is a TEI. So let's take a look at it. Directions, click on the correct answer. Which of the following sentences is an example of an opinion? All right, so again, this is fact and opinion. Now it's a TEI. It says which of the following sentences, which makes me think it's more than one correct answer. But it also says is an example. And if it's an example, that makes me think it's only one correct answer. So that might be where they tricked a few of you. Instead of using the correction sheets this time, I think I want you all to start working on using loose leaf paper. So if you missed this question, this was number 10, because during the test you should be using loose leaf paper to figure out your answers, okay? So on your loose leaf, what you might write down is something like this. Okay, number 10 is fact and opinion. It is a TEI. Okay, and it has 4 choices. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at each one and see which ones. We're going to label them fact and opinion. Okay, on your loose leaf, you can put an F for fact or an O for opinion. You can also use your pencil tool on here, but I find that it's kind of hard to work with. So let's take a look at them. The heartwood provides the support the tree needs to grow straight and tall. So you need to ask yourself, is that a fact or is it an opinion? Now, a fact is something that can be proven. It's scientific fact. An opinion would be different. You know, Bob might think one thing where Susie thinks another. If you look back through here where they're talking about the heartwood, you can see right here in the description of the trunk, if you skim, the center of the trunk is called the heartwood. It forms as the tree grows and the inner layers of sapwood die and harden. The heartwood provides the support the tree needs to grow straight and tall. That is a fact. It is not an opinion. That's what the heartwood does. Scientists have proven it. It'd be easier if you don't like using that pencil tool to just come in here, put choice 1 as an F. If you want to draw boxes, I don't care, but you need to label that it is a fact. Choice 2, trees absorb the carbon dioxide people exhale and release the oxygen people breathe. Ask yourself, is that a fact? Can it be proven? Or is it an opinion? That, again, is a fact. So I'm going to come into my loose leaf next to number 2, F for fact. 3, trees are more dull in the spring than the fall. Well, I see this word dull, and I'm thinking right now, well, I actually like spring trees better than fall trees. I like the green leaves and the flowers, okay? Bobby Joe might like them better in the fall. That is what makes it an opinion. You can't prove it. One person might think they're more dull in the spring. Another person might think they're more dull in the fall. So you can label it an O for opinion using your pencil tool here, or do it on your loose leaf. It might be easier. Just put an O for opinion. Last one, trees cover about 1/3 of the earth. So ask yourself, is that a fact or an opinion? I see a measurement. Trees cover about 1/3 of the earth. That is a fact. Just because it's an estimate doesn't mean it's not a fact. Okay, so if you saw that word about and thought it was an opinion, no, it is a fact. It's about 1/3 of the earth. It can be proven. They have counted the trees. They've measured the earth. Okay, it can be measured and proven. It's a fact. So again, you can use your pencil tool, label it fact here. This one was also a fact. Or if it's easier for you, use your loose leaf. That was a fact. Okay, and again, the question said, which is an example of an opinion? It would be that third one about being dull. That is your choice. You can mark it on your loose leaf with like a little star or something. Hey, this one's it. Okay. So loose leaf might be a good tool for a lot of you. that is it for number 10.